Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of wildlife survival. Ever wondered how animals adapt and thrive in the wild? Let's embark on this journey together. First up, let's talk about camouflage. Many animals have developed incredible skills to blend into their surroundings. Take the chameleon, for instance. This little guy can change color to match its environment, making it nearly invisible to predators. Pretty cool, right? Now let's move on to another survival tactic: speed. Cheetahs are known for their lightning-fast sprints, reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour. This incredible burst of speed helps them catch their prey with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine running that fast, but survival isn't just about running or hiding. Some animals have developed unique defensive mechanisms. Take the porcupine. When threatened, it raises its quills to fend off predators. Those sharp spines can be a real deterrent, and let's not forget about group dynamics. Many species, like elephants and wolves, rely on the strength of their social groups. Elephants, for example, form tight-knit family units led by a matriarch. These bonds help them protect each other and navigate their environment effectively. Climate adaptation is another fascinating aspect. The Arctic fox is a master of this. With its thick fur and ability to change color with the seasons, it's perfectly equipped to handle the harsh Arctic conditions. Nature's ingenuity doesn't stop there. Birds like the Arctic tern migrate thousands of miles every year, following the seasons to stay in optimal climates. This incredible journey ensures they always have access to food and breeding grounds. So, next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate these amazing survival strategies. The animal kingdom is full of wonder and resilience, and there's always something new to discover. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.